Hi children, hope all are fine. Last class I have taken the chapter Anne is in Trouble till part 2. Today we will continue with the same lesson part 3. So first we will discuss the answers. All take page number 57. Page number 57. First question. According to Marilla, what were Anne's faults? എന്താണ് ഫോൾട്ട് ഉണ്ടായതെന്ന് മറില്ല ആനെ പറ്റി കുറേ കംപ്ലയിൻറ്റ്സ് പറയുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്ന്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് മറില്ല തോട്ട് ദാറ്റ് ആൻ വാസ് സില്ലി ആൻഡ് കെയർലെസ് അബൌട്ട് ടൈം ആൻഡ് ഹർ ഡ്യൂട്ടീസ്. ദാറ്റ് ആൻ ഹാഡ് strange ideas and that she was constantly getting into trouble with it. Understood? First question. Then second one, what did Anne do to get rid of the dye? What did she do? Anne washed her hair with soap and water for a week, scrubbing it well. When this did not wash the dye off, what did she do? Marilla cut her hair short. Now, next, what was the fatal secret? How did Diana handle it? What was the fatal secret? Diana എങ്ങനെയാണ് അത് ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്തത്? Diana is Anne's friend. The fatal secret was that Anne now had green hair. Diana guarded it well and told no one about it. Diana ആരോട് ഇത് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല. She handled it well. Now the fourth question. What penance did Anne decide to? Why? Anne decided to look at herself in the mirror every time. She came to a room and see how ugly she was. She would not try to wish her hair short away either. Understood? Is Anne vain? Which lines in the story tell you so? Yes, Anne was slightly vain. Which lines? She had red hair which she hated. Then she dyed it the first chance she had. And she was shocked by the consequences and felt hopeless about her future. When her hair had to be cut, she realized that she had long, thick hair and that she had been vain about it. She also implies that she is vain about her nose also. Understood? I will short it and give you all these answers. Now 5 answers are here in this part. Next is think and answer. Who was Diana? Why do you think so? That you have to discuss in pairs. Who was Diana? Diana was Anne's friend. Marilla says that Anne spent a lot of time with Diana. Diana was the only one other than Marilla who knew about Anne's green hair and she kept it as secret. Now, what does Anne say? Next question. I expect something will happen to my nose next. So what? Anne is probably vain about her nose. Or she says so flippantly. Understood? So I will give you these answers in groups. You have to copy down in your notebook. Now we will discuss with the grammar section. That is G. Complete the character. Sketch character of Marilla. That's some adjectives based on these lines from this story you have to find out. First one. She is not here when I told her to stay. I am bringing her up. Not you. She has just got to be pulled up sharply. So how is Marilla saying that? In a strict way. So the word comes strict. The adjective is there, strict. Then, are you sick then? Demanded Marilla anxiously, going over to the bed. That is in a kind way. So you can write kind. Well said, Marilla sarcastically. If I would decided it was worthwhile to dye my hair, I would have dyed it a decent color at least. I wouldn't have dyed it green. That she is telling in a sarcastically manner. That means you can write the sarcastic. I suppose the first thing is to give your hair a good washing and see if that will do any good. Your hair must be cut off. There is no other way. You can't go out with it looking like that. So that is practical. That is done there. So it is practical. So you can write the answer strict, kind, sarcastic, practical. Understood? Now, some phrasal verbs are given there from the story. You have to choose the correct meanings for that. H you need not write. H you need not write. Next is worksheet. Break out. Can you find out the answer, children? Break out. Break out means begin suddenly. First one. Make up for. Compensate or make a bad situation better. That is E. Make a bad situation better. Next, grow out of. That is A. Stop doing something because you are older. Stop doing something because you are older. Take up. Start doing something. Start doing something. That is F. Next, get through with. Complete a task. Complete a task. Leave down or something. Last question, that is make people forget something foolish you did. So once more, break out, begin suddenly. പെട്ടെന്ന് തുടങ്ങുന്നതിനാ പറയുന്നത്. Make up for, compensate, make a bad situation better. സിറ്റുവേഷൻ വളരെ വേഴ്സ് ആകുമ്പോൾ അതൊന്നും കൂടി നന്നാക്കി എടുക്കുന്നതിനാ പറയുന്നത്. Grow out of, stop doing something because you are older. എപ്പോഴും ചെയ്യുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ നിർത്താനാണ് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, ടേക്ക് അപ്പ്, സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ഡൂയിങ് സംതിങ്, എന്തെങ്കിലും തുടങ്ങി വെക്കുന്നതിനാ പറയുക. ഗെറ്റ് ത്രൂ വിത്ത്, കംപ്ലീറ്റ് എ ടാസ്ക്, ഏതും ടാസ്ക് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് ഫുള്ള് തീർക്കുക, മുഴുവനായി തീർക്കുക. ലീവ് ഡൗൺ, മേക്ക് പീപ്പിൾ ഫോർഗെറ്റ് സംതിങ് ഫൂളിഷ് യു ഡിഡ്, എന്തെങ്കിലും വേണ്ടാത്ത കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്തെങ്കിൽ അത് ആൾക്കാർ മറന്നു പോകുന്ന തക്കം നമ്മൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും പുതിയതായിട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? Now next is J. Tick the correct meaning of these expressions from this story. 3 answers are given for each question. You have to correct one answer. Put a tick mark for that. A great and at. Have good hands. Be good at doing something. Be good with your hands. A great hand at means be good at doing something. എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്യുന്നതിൽ നല്ലതായിട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനാണ് പറയുന്നത്. A great hand at. Get into a fix. Create a problem. Get stuck. Be in a difficult situation. Get into a fix. The correct answer is be in a difficult situation. ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട് വരുന്ന സമയം അടുക്കുമ്പോൾ പറയുന്നതാണ് get into a fix. Get into a scrape. Get into trouble. Get your knee scraped. Get severely damaged. Get into a scrape means get into trouble. എന്തെങ്കിലും വിഷമമുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളിൽ അകപ്പെട്ടു പോകുന്നതിനാണ് പറയുന്നത്. Get into trouble. Touch somebody's heart. Make someone feel sympathy. Make someone happy. Feel someone's heartbeat. Touch somebody's heart means make someone feel sympathy. മറ്റുള്ള ആൾക്കാർ നമ്മളുടെ എന്തെങ്കിലും കഷ്ടപ്പാടോ എന്തെങ്കിലും ദുഃഖങ്ങളോ എല്ലാം അറിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അവർക്ക് നമ്മളോട് വളരെ സിമ്പതി തോന്നുന്നതിന്. In a tries very quickly, 3 times immediately. In a tries very quickly. എല്ലാം വളരെ വേഗത്തിൽ ചെയ്യാം. Open somebody's eyes. Wake someone up on time. Educate someone within a short time. Make someone realize something. Open somebody's eyes. Make someone realize something. മറ്റുള്ളവരെ വിശ്വാസപ്പെടുത്തുക. Break somebody's heart. Kill someone. Make someone very sad. Cause a heart attack. Break somebody's heart. Make someone very sad. മറ്റുള്ളവരെ സങ്കടപ്പെടുത്തുന്നത്. Have something over with. Eat something with something else. End something unpleasant. Do something after someone. Have something over with means end something unpleasant. ദുഃഖത്തിലായിട്ട് എന്തെങ്കിലും അവസാനിക്കുക. ദുഃഖത്തോടുകൂടി എന്തെങ്കിലും അവസാനിക്കുക. ഒരു സന്തോഷമില്ലാതെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ അവസാനിക്കുന്നതിനാ പറയാം ഹാവ് സംതിങ് ഓവർ വിത്ത്. വൺസ് മോർ ഐ വിൽ സേ എ ഗ്രേറ്റ് ആൻഡ് എറ്റ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, be good at doing something. Get into a fix. Be in a difficult situation. Get into a scrape. Get into trouble. Touch somebody's heart. Make someone feel sympathy. In a tries very quickly. Open somebody's eyes. Make someone realize something. Break somebody's heart. Make someone very sad. Have something over with. End something unpleasant. So put a tick mark for all these answers in your textbook. Now next is grammar. That is, we can use 2 or 3 adjectives with a noun. Using more than that is unusual and clumsy. We commonly describe the size, shape, color and appearance of a noun. We put the size or shape first, the color next, and then the other qualities. That is, first we put the size, then shape, then we describe about the color. For one example is given there, Anne had long curly red hair. Understood? Anne had long curly red hair. We can form adjectives from nouns, verbs or even other adjectives by adding certain suffixes such as y, ish, full, ic, able, ive, ful, ous, al, ly. See, some words are given there from nouns, verbs and adjectives, suffixes. See, hero, heroic. So you have to add oic. Wind, windy, y. Beauty, beautiful, ful. Child, childish. Mischief, mischievous. Then love, lovable. Use, useful. Attend, attentive. Comic, comical. Correct, corrective. Elder, elderly. Red, reddish. Now 3 degrees of comparison that I will describe in the next class. Till then, bye.